Aircraft registration is one of the most transparent ownership records in the country, and it is free to search. The Federal Aviation Administration maintains a public registry of every civil aircraft in the United States, searchable by the tail number painted on the aircraft, by serial number, or by owner name. A record typically returns the registered owner's name and address, the aircraft make and model, the registration date, and the airworthiness certification. The owner name search is the part that matters for a locate. It lets you check whether a subject owns an aircraft at all, which is both an asset and an address. The registry also records liens and security interests, so you can see who financed the aircraft, and the registration must be renewed, which keeps addresses fresher than many asset records. For judgment creditors and divorce asset work, an aircraft is a substantial and often overlooked asset. Our research team runs these searches as part of asset investigations. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.